in partnership with CommSec.
Joining us live from CommSec is Ryan Felsman. Ryan, good to see you. So there's some optimism that we could be seeing a rally today in the ASX after what has been a horror month.
Good morning, Kenny. That's right. SPI futures are pointing up by 85 points or 1.1%. And that's after the ASX 200 fell last week by 2%. It's down for 4 consecutive weeks. But we did see some optimism in the US on Friday. There were fewer tariff headlines for starters, but we also saw the US avoid a government shutdown on March the 15th. That boosted sentiment. We saw dip buyers come in, despite the fact that we did see consumer confidence in America fall to its lowest level since November 2022, with the University of Michigan Consumer Confidence Index really raising concerns about tariffs, inflation, jobs and income for Americans. But on the market itself, we did see the Dow Jones index lift by 675 points or 1.7%. The S&P 500 index lifted 2.1% and the broader Nasdaq index lifted by 2.6%. They both recorded their biggest one-day percentage gains since the day after the US presidential election on the 6th of November. We saw chipmaker Nvidia's shares up by 5.3%. That's ahead of the GPU technology conference this week, and we'll hear from Jensen Huang, who's the CEO of Nvidia, and of course that could drive an AI rally this week on the back of that. We also saw Tesla shares lift 3.9% on the back of expectations they may build a cheaper version of the Model Y vehicle in Shanghai. The Aussie market today should be boosted by commodity prices too. We did see the US All NYMEX price lift by 0.9% to $67.18 a barrel on Friday. We also saw gold futures hit a record high on that trade uncertainty, up by another 0.3% to $3,001.10 an ounce. And iron ore futures rose by 0.7% to $102.85 a tonne. Kenny, a massive week for Aussie investors. We've got $1.8 billion worth of dividends hitting people's bank accounts this week. We've got Ramelius Resources and Hub24 both trading ex-dividend today. They could be lower. The Aussie dollar is currently at 63.2 US cents.
Nice to hear some positive news. Ryan, thanks so much.